Hello, welcome back. This is Bree with my lavender pages. It's Wednesday morning. Yeah, I'm supposed to plan on Monday nights. It did not work out this Monday. I was super tired and my kids did not want to go to bed. So then last night I had a migraine and wasn't in the mood to plan. So here we are, Wednesday morning. Let me show what's going on. I have a little list here for my camping stuff that I've been collecting. So that's been hiding in there. I finally got the numbers put on September because, you know, it just happens to start tomorrow. Oh, here is how the future log is looking. Feeling blue is over here. I get to start putting more stars down for holidays that are coming up. There's 3 in September. And then here is the August calendar from Sterling Ink that you can get off her Facebook page. Kind of my overview for September or August. I really like how this came out, so I'll be doing it in September. Here is the calendar and the weather tracker, and I posted this on Instagram yesterday. And I love how these come out. Here is the habit tracker. That's filling up. I have some work to do here. But yeah. And then these are my weeklies for August. And I will do a full flip through in September. I've already kind of covered up some of the pictures, so I am getting ready to do a full flip through. Here is today. And then we get into September. This is the vinyl that came with my mini subscription kit. And I love cameras and blankets and snuggles and stuff like that. Here is my September calendar. This was the vinyl that was on the subscription kit, and I loved it so much I wanted to look at it every day. So that's why I put it in my monthly. Some things that are going on. Then we have the weather tracker here, self-care and habit tracker here. And then this is the current week. And we are leaving on Friday to go up into the mountains and go camping for Labor Day weekend. I loved this quote and I thought it worked perfectly for this week. I just want to live in a world of mountains, chocolate, campfires, and golden trees, and run around with a camera and a notebook, learning the inner workings of everything real. And that's Victoria Erickson. So I haven't really done anything with my dailies except for a little bit of a to-do list here, just kind of starting things off. This is the week we are going to plan, and it is going to be a busy week. Just even looking at the calendar and this particular week, there's quite a few things going on. So we will have to see how it all pans out. I did go through the whole month of September and pencil in what's going on. Mingo's really mad because she's upstairs, I'm downstairs, and she can hear me, and I'm not going up to get her. Can you hear her? Oh, there we go. She's giving me a lecture. I have to start work here in little less than half an hour, so she has to stay upstairs until I start working my assignments and can go up and get her. She's so mad. All right, this is my little laminate pocket. I did something different this month. So last month I had an extra bit of vinyl. This month I chose to not purchase the vinyl. Not because I didn't like it, just because I chose not to. So I made my own. And these are some autumn pictures that I've just kind of collected over the years. This is one I actually took and I made my own little autumn collage and turned it into my laminate pocket. I want it to be autumn so bad. And it is my favorite month and time of the year. And it is super slow in getting here because we're hitting 96 degrees today in Salt Lake. So that's really stupid. It's just stupid. I think I'm going to use these washi strips and get planning for the coming week. I'll put down my deco and my color and then walk you through what's going on as I fill it out with my TWSBI Eco, which is inked up in Diamine Solstice. And if you look close, you can see the shimmer on this is green. All right, here is the week. I started putting school here and then I realized it's Labor Day and we won't be back from camping and there's no school. So, my bad. I'd white it out, but I don't like white out. It makes my planner look funny. So we'll just put like still camping or something right there. On Monday the 5th, we have 2 birthdays. So we're just gonna go birthday right here. And I'm gonna put a ×2. And then I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna put camping. Because I want to put Labor Day right here, but I want to use one of my Coffee Monsters Co. little emojis. So we'll put that there and then we'll go Labor Day. Okay, so then in the evening my husband still has to do his lighting. And then Tuesday, we're pretty much back to normal. So there's school. And then I work. And then I have a huddle. And they said we'll be done by 3:30, but I don't think we will. We're never done on time. Then my husband has his church meetings Tuesday evening. Then this is early day. She's still mad. Can you hear her? Early day. And then school. And there's a women's church activity right here. But I don't know if I'm going to go. I haven't decided yet. Thursday's my day off and the kids have school. Friday is my day off and the kids have school. I may or may not pick up hours on these days. I haven't decided yet. Saturday I work, and it is a day, we call it a day of service in our neighborhood. And they're planning to pick up garbage and litter in the canal that's actually right behind my house. So if I remind my husband of this, then he will take the kids back there and have them help work. I'll be working, so I won't be able to help, but need to remind myself. And then we have a birthday on the 11th. And this is also 9/11. So I will be putting, I gotta put something about that because I was around during that and it was crazy. Okay, my husband has his early morning meetings. Then we have church. And then I'm gonna put right here, we call it Patriots Day. Okay. And then I will go through, probably will be while I'm camping, put the weather in, find myself a quote for the side, but this is essentially what next week is going to look like. I love these stickers. I love the stickers. They're so pretty. Normally I'm not a pink fan, but this is more of like a pink purple wine color, and it's really pretty. It's just pretty. I'm going to look at it and I'm going to enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. To see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. I hope everybody has a happy Labor Day weekend and that you're doing something fun. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.